If you're still struggling to understand how to color correct the redness on your skin, keep on watching. To cover this redness, the first thing we need to do is to look on the color wheel and understand which color sits on the opposite side of the color wheel. So we know the complementary colors actually neutralize each other. So if I want to get rid of this redness, I will need to use green. Now, before we choose any green, we need to first look at our skin tone. So that will be light, fair, medium, tan, or dark. Okay, so that's quite important because if I use this green here, it will be too strong for my skin tone. So I actually need this green mixed with a little bit of white. So that's what I've done here. I'm going to show you my little palette. This is my palette, and I mixed two colors here. And that's the green tone that I need to cover this redness. So the first thing we do, we get a clean brush, and I'm using just this one here. And I am just going to start applying that quite nicely and gently on top of that redness. This is obviously makeup. I don't actually have that much redness, just so you know. So the colors will blend, but that's exactly the same thing you do on real redness. I'm just looking for my mirrors here. You see there is a little green cast, so I'm going to push that color on the skin a little bit more. And slowly you can see that redness is now disappearing. That is the objective with the color correction. It's much easier than a lot of people think. It's not magic. It's not a hack. It's just color theory. I need to look on my other mirror here. And I'm going to use a little bit more of that green to really cover that redness. I like to use my fingers as well because I mostly use creams when I'm doing my makeup, creams and liquids, so everything can be blended together quite nicely. Now I am just using my finger because I feel like there is still a little bit of redness there. So we are just going to complete that application. And you see how it just kind of disappears on the skin. See? And that's how you cover redness.